Ça c'est Amanda qui a fait vidéo par là, il pour expliquer nous qui j'aime parler créole, les m'a parler avec eux, qui ça me dit, lui même ça songe dans mon créole qu'on a dit. OK Amanda?
Yes.
Commence, hit it.
You know, one thing that really pisses me off is my mama.
Yeah, qui ça maman
Especially
qu'on
how
dit?
she says Vinapiye all the time, and I keep on hearing it multiple times, and I just get. Ugh.
OK, 1 minute.
Another thing that really pisses me off
Mm-hmm.
is about when my brother, my brother asked to break up. So then I say, take us a freak all the time. And what does my mama do? She says, Amanda, Jackie, she does, all the time, instead of doing anything about it. I would smack the out of her.
After that, what word I say in Creole you'd like to say?
Well, to mock her. To mock her, I say, Jesus.
Jésus, le la prière, when I'm praying, I say Jesus.
Yes.
After that, what else?
Or God have mercy on me, because I have to be tied with these little flakons.
Timoun fréquent?
Yes, little flakons all the time. Yes, always playing. Oh, and then of course she's always like, Vini, hurry up. And I'm
Vini.
like, every single day, this is me. Oh.
After that, kiss some Gonzeko. What would I say in Creole? You would like to say?
Mo bato. Each time that me and Jackie act up, she says mo bato. Even though that 96% of the time, she doesn't actually give us mo bato. Instead, it's me who's giving Jackie mo bato.
Mm-hmm. After that?
And of course, mommy always says, "Seso, let me get that seso." And
Kaleo.
Magaleo.
Kiss some for what else? You remember? You don't remember then? All right then. It's always